think I'm at the point now where a paint stripper would be better to use, but this is okay. This will probably be my last one, just with a knife and acetone.
Hello.
Hello.
I have a question for you.
Yeah?
Am I interrupting your videos?
No.
Okay. I got this lamp part. So it tells you which wire to clip
Yeah.
to
Part
put the
of-
switch in.
Probably doesn't matter which one, to be honest.
Okay, well then that probably answers my question.
Yeah, because they usually made...
Like
so the best one to do is the center pin, which would be the hot one. And we can use my little tester to make sure, because it'll blink red. Because one of them's at ground, basically.
Oh, it tells you which one to do. This, but whichever one you clip, I mean, whichever one has the switch on it. What am I trying to ask you? Does it matter which one of these poles that it goes into, where the bulb?
Yeah, so it's good to make the one in the back. That's the one that should have the 120 volts on it.
This guy?
Yeah, because that way if you accidentally touch this or touch the base, you don't get shocked.
Oh.
The only thing that would be on that would be any other appliances returning power might have like 1 or 2 volts since it's flowing through there.
So this, though, then, what you're saying...
That should be the hot wire, which I'll bring my little tester. It blinks red whenever you hold it over the wire that's hot.
Okay.
And green over the one that's lower.
And then the hot one is what you want the switch running through?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, and that's a little wood anchor. Then I'll tap that in the hole, and when this goes through, I'll draw it first, but when that goes through, it'll space it apart.
Well, at one point in my life, I did want to do like dried leaves and stuff. So maybe in the fall, I'll like collect a bunch of like dried leaves and.
Oh, I never cleaned those off, right? I'm really happy with that.